Alright, coming up next, eto, ano ba tong hello? Sige na nga, hello, hello there, shout out. I've been alone with you inside my mind, and in my dreams I kissed your lips 1,000 times. I sometimes see you pass outside my door. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I could see it in your eyes, I could see it in your smile. You're all I've ever wanted, and my arms are open wide. 'Cause you know just what to say, and you know just what to do. And I want to tell you so much I love you. I long to see the sunlight in your hair, and tell you time and time again how much I care. Sometimes I feel my heart will overflow. Hello, and I just got to let you know, 'cause I want the way you are, and I want the what to do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely? Or is someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying I love you. Hello, that song, ayan, by Lionel Richie. Hello, hello kayo dyan. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. Hello, is it me you're looking for? 'Cause I want the way you are, and I wonder what you do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely, or is someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying I love you. Woo! Talaga naman, mga hugot love song ngayong gabi. Ayan, shoutout, time check natin, it's 6:05. Oo, gabi, parang gabi lang ng lagim.